Hi everyone, this is Marilyn and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, so be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. In today's video, I'm creating a holiday scene using a large square coaster as the base frame. These are the molds that I'm going to be using. The Christmas garland mold, branches, ornament mold. I might incorporate this mistletoe, some foil stickers, mini Christmas lights, a display holder, which is the one that I made on a previous video. I pulled out some sequins, Christmassy sequins that I had. Snowflakes, trees, Christmas trees, and candy canes. I just have them here. Let's see if I end up using any of them. I'm just gonna go with the Christmas holiday season color palette, create and go with the flow. But I will have all the products I used today in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me get everything out of the way here. I already have the resin mixed. I'm gonna work on getting the base done first. I want it to be a solid color, a tad bit of sparkle, and not super dark. I think the base color I want to use is like a sparkled beige. I'm gonna use the Curate Color Portrait. Bit of mother of pearl. Gosh, I love that stuff, don't I? I think I'm gonna put some crushed crystal. I don't ever use it, but I need to start using it. There's plenty of this. That's plenty of sparkle. Good. Okay, that's beautiful. Could have been a little bit lighter, but it's okay. I'm gonna use the little bit of resin that I have to do these in green. Lumiere by Jacquard. This is pearlescent emerald. Now I'm gonna get these to curing. Okay, so while those are curing, I'm gonna work on getting these ornaments ready and filled. That way when they cure, I can color them. Okay, so I demolded these. They are bendable still, so perfect to work with them. Okay. Can I demold now? No, I can wait. No, I'm gonna demold now. Still pliable, but I want to see it like that. Okay, there we go. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We have lots of mixed media creative projects here at The Artistry Corner.